Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to transfer gift cards to your Amazon account by reloading your balance with a Visa gift card. This is a fantastic way to turn those physical gift cards into usable Amazon credit that you can spend on anything you want from the platform. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your account features. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen and hover your mouse over Account and Lists. This will open a drop-down menu with various account management options. From this menu, click on Account. This takes you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything related to your Amazon profile. On the account page, locate and click on Gift Cards. This section is dedicated to managing all your gift card balances, reloads, and redemptions. It's the central hub for anything gift card related on your Amazon account. Once you're in the gift cards section, look to the upper left of the screen and click on Reload Your Balance. This feature allows you to add funds directly to your Amazon account using various payment methods, including your Visa gift card. You'll now see options to select a reload amount. Amazon typically provides preset amounts like $20, $50, or $100, but you can also type in the exact amount you want to reload if you prefer a custom value. This is especially useful if you know the exact balance on your Visa gift card and want to transfer it all at once. After selecting or entering your desired amount, move to the right panel and click Buy Now. This initiates the payment process and takes you to the next screen where you'll choose your payment method. On the payment screen, select Add a credit or debit card as the payment method. This is where you'll enter your Visa gift card information to complete the reload. Make sure you have your gift card handy so you can enter the details accurately. Now carefully type in the Visa gift card number, expiration date, and CVV exactly as they appear on the card. Double-check each number to avoid any errors that could prevent the transaction from going through. Accuracy here is crucial for a smooth reload process. Once you've entered all the card information, click Add Your Card. Amazon will process and verify the card details, linking your Visa gift card to this transaction. This step ensures that your payment method is valid and ready to be used. Finally, click Continue or place your order to complete the reload. Amazon will process the payment, and within moments, your account balance will be updated with the reloaded amount. You can now use this balance for any future Amazon purchases. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.